Hello, welcome to Lunnovate's free programming bootcamp. In this short video, we're going to answer a simple question, which is what is programming? So programming is basically giving a computer step-by-step instructions for it to follow in order to solve a problem or perform a particular task. Examples of programs are just like the program we are using to watch this video. Programs like WhatsApp, TikTok, YouTube, and thereabouts. So, but there are actually different types of languages that are being used in order to write these programs. We have programming languages like Python, Java, JavaScript, C++, C, and so on and so forth. So basically, writing code is just like writing a recipe for someone to follow in order to know how to cook a particular dish, or giving someone instructions on what to do, how to do it. Basically, that is just it. So over this course, we'll learn Python first and show equivalent code in C++ and in Java, so that by the end of the course, you'll be able to speak 3 languages, which actually makes it short and sweet. Because you'll be able to speak more than one language. It's actually a 0 to hero course. Yeah. So watch the next video in order to see why we choose Python, why we're starting with Python first.